Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei MediaPad T5. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the screen manually. Then we can change color mode of the screen. We can change sleep timeout between 30 seconds, 10 minutes or never. We can enable eye comfort mode, schedule it and change temperature of the screen. We can change home screen style between drawer and standard. We can change wallpaper. Adjust font size. Enable smart resolution and auto rotate screen. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.